Alright, riders, are you ready for 100 km ride? Oh, macam tak. Ni dia kuat sikit. Are you ready, guys? Alright. Okay, in countdown of 10, I will in countdown of 10 we will release all of you. We will go through our campus first. Alright, I will go through our campus first. Please follow our security car in front.
Okay, hai, Assalamualaikum. Okay, pagi ni kita set up sound system. Okay, simple sound system. Kita pakai mixer, audio mixer Yamaha MG12 12 channel. Okay, set up paling simple. Okay, kawasan pelepasan untuk combo ride. Peserta-peserta baru sampai. Maka dulu lagi abang tutup tu.
So kita selepas post-covid ni, this our first event selepas post-covid. Hopefully today kita boleh enjoy balik bersama-sama rakan-rakan rider yang lain. Okay, untuk pagi ni kita akan flag off 100 km punya route dulu, fellowship ride. Saya nak minta semua rider yang 100 km sahaja yang berada di dalam kawasan barrier. Untuk 50 km boleh tunggu di belakang dahulu sebab kita tak nak ada clashes lah between the two event. Okay, minta tolong semua. Alright.
Okay, pagi ni pelepasan 100 km dahulu. Okay.
Okey, kita ada fotografer di hadapan. Senyum semua, senyum.
Okey.
Alright, announcement again. To all riders, 100 km riders, please move in front ke depan. Kita nak bagi ruang untuk 50 km riders di belakang. So 100 km riders sila bergerak ke hadapan, rapat ke arch balloon kita.
Masih ramai lagi kat belakang. Semangat pagi-pagi.
Riders, welcome to UTP. After 3 years, we have not conducted our event. Our last event was back in 2019. Now we are back. Alright. Okay, yang berusaha Tuan Muhammad Zaki Abdul Rahman, Pegawai Daerah Perak Tengah. Prof. Dr. Zini bin Mohtar, our Deputy Vice Chancellor Akademik, mewakili Vice Chancellor. Puan Samsina Syahrul, Pengerusi Majlis Convocation UTP ke-23. Okay, Zulkanan Abdul, our chairman, Convo Ride 2023, merangkap our YouTuber, famous YouTuber through Sembang Basikal SB channel. Okay? And all the UTP Convo Ride committees and all the riders today. Thank you very much. Alright riders, are you ready for 100 km ride? Oh macam tak, ni dia kuat sikit. Are you ready guys? Alright. Okay, in countdown of 10 I will in countdown of 10 we will release all of you. We will go through our campus first. Alright, I will go through our campus first. Please follow our security car in front. And our security car will when you arrive to main gate, the PDRM will take you out. Okay, don't follow our safety car lah. Safety car akan sampai hanya di main gate sahaja. Selepas itu, please follow our traffic, police traffic. Alright, 100 km riders, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, riders, go! Have a safe journey, guys. 100 km riders first, 50 km jangan ikut dulu. 100 km riders. Only 100 km riders. Alright, this is the flag off of 100 km ride first. Fun ride riders, please wait for a while. We gave them time to flag off first. 100 km riders, good luck. Have a safe journey. Alright. Okay. Alright. We have settled our 100 km riders. Okay, sebelum kita mulakan 50 km riders, kita nak bagi sedikit instruction to all of you. This is a fun ride, fun ride sahaja. There will be no winners. All of you are winners for in this event. We will only have one checkpoint or one water station at Dataran Parit. Okay, at Dataran Parit. So you will have ample time for you to take pictures. Okay, that's one of the iconic place in Parit, in Perak Tengah. Okay, let's enjoy your time during the journey. Since this is a fun ride, please ensure you follow our lead car. Don't overtake our lead car because all of you will go through our Ipoh Lumut highway. So you need to follow our PDRM instruction properly. Please ride in groups, okay? Dan jaga keselamatan masing-masing. Okay, clear? Alright. Sekali lagi saya nak tanya, ready ke tak? Okay, ada few riders coming at the back. Please, all the riders, please come in front. Kita dah nak bermula. Ya, kita tunggu sekejap. Our security car will be coming. Alright, is our security car. Lead car have arrived. Now it's time for you pula nak ride. Okay? Untuk ride slowly through our campus. Kita akan start our event in countdown of 10. Get ready semua. Yang belakang ready tak? Ready tak? Oh, saya nampak ada seorang pakai baju tu baru sampai. Get ready guys. Alright, in countdown of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, kita ada camp Komora yang lalu daripada PSP team. Alright. Mana Bronze? Alright. Kita ada Teresa dan Dota Arwah sama Slipper. Alright, thank you very much for that. Okay, thank you very much everyone.